Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can check the Windows version of your Windows 11. I mean like how you can check which version of Windows 11 you have or which you are using as of now. So it's very important that we can know which version of Windows we are currently using so that we can update it to the latest version. And also there are different fixes or solutions if we are going to face an issue with our Windows that will only apply to that version of Windows. So how can we know which version of Windows we have? Then let's go quick into the process. Now you have to click on the start button and here you will click settings, or you can easily type settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Here in the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on system, that's under home, that is the second option. And under the list of options here in system, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and you will find about, the one with the I symbol. Device specifications, rename PC, and the Windows specifications. Click on this. So here, you just have to click on this drop down menu for device specifications. So you can find here too the device name, the processor, the installed RAM, the device ID, the product ID, the system type, and the pen and touch, where there is no pen or touch input available for my display. And under that, you can find the Windows specifications. So here you can check which version of Windows 11 you have. So the edition, this is Windows 11 Home Single Language. You can also have Windows 11 Pro Edition. Now for the version, I have 24H2 and this is installed, or this was installed on 12/5 or December 5, 2024. The OS build and the experience. So here's the process on how you can check the version of Windows you have. So if you are not currently on the latest version of your Windows, then you can easily update your Windows on the Windows Update on the left pane and simply click this button to check for any updates. So when you already checked for any updates on your Windows, then you can easily update your Windows 11 to the latest version. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.